first of all, just open your Windows search icon and then just type in Microsoft Store, right click on your Microsoft Store, click on App Settings. And then at the background apps permissions section here, let this app run in the background, change over from power optimized to never. And then scroll down to the reset section here. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. App's data won't be affected. That's exactly what we want, so just click on repair. And then just try launching it again and see if the issue is still there. If not, then perfectly fine. If so, then click on reset here, click on reset, and then wait until this process is finished. And then you can already close this window here and start your Microsoft Store again. And sign in if needed. And then on the top right corner, click on your profile and click on App Settings. And then make sure to turn off the app or update so that apps automatically update. Turn this setting here off. And then when you've done that, the issue should be fixed. And I'm really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions or something didn't work, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.